1994, height 5 feet 5 inches, weighing 130 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair, wearing a sweater with multicolored leggings. They were last seen in Statesville, North Carolina, traveling on I-20 west of Atlanta, potentially heading to Alabama. Suspect and child are believed to be traveling in a gray 2014 Honda Odyssey van, tag number HAD6654. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Ansley River Redmond or the gray 2014 Honda Odyssey van, tag number HAD6654, please dial 911 or the Airedale County Sheriff's Office at 704-880-9156.
You never know how many drinks